Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I'm your host Chef Savio Pereira and today we are going to make Mexican rice. So Mexican rice is a preparation where we use some rice, corn, vegetables, tomatoes. So let's get started. Around 2 tablespoons of diced onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of diced green and red pepper. Then we have 2 tablespoons of corn, and we have around 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, some salt and pepper for seasoning, around half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and some chopped coriander for garnish. And we have around a bowl or maybe around 200 grams of basmati rice which is boiled. So heat your pan, so it should be medium hot. Now we'll add around 2 tablespoons of oil to it. You could use olive oil or your regular sunflower oil. So we'll add 1 tablespoon of diced onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, then 2 tablespoons of colored peppers and 2 tablespoons of corn kernels here. Now we'll just saute this nicely. Now our vegetables are nicely cooked. Now we'll add the tomato paste into it. We have around a half cup of tomato paste. Now just saute this nicely with the vegetables. Maybe around 1 or 2 minutes and the tomato paste will be nicely cooked. Our tomato paste is almost cooked now. We'll add around 250 grams of rice to the vegetables and the tomato paste. Just spread it evenly on all sides. Now we'll season it with a little bit of salt, pepper and half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. So rice is mixed properly. Now you can see our Mexican rice is nice and colorful. Now we'll just check the seasoning once and finish it with some chopped coriander. Our rice is well seasoned. Now time to finish our rice with some chopped coriander. This rice goes well along with your curries, like if you have some stew or if you have some chicken curry, you have some vegetable curry. This is a good combination with them. So now we'll plate our rice. Our Mexican rice is ready.